Hello everyone. In last lecture we have studied the CSS, meaning of CSS, its syntax, then its types, that is inline, internal and external, its examples, some sample programs and its properties. In today's demo lecture we will study the different examples of its properties. For that, let us see first of all the types of CSS property. CSS. You know that CSS having the three types. First one is inline, second one is internal and third one is the external. Let's see it one by one. First of all, inline. Let's see its output. Here you can see that this data, that is this is heading, is displayed in blue color and the data, this is paragraph, is displayed in red color. For that I have provided the coding as here doctype HTML, body, and then under body tag I have provided the style. Style is also provided here under H1. H1 style, color blue, then text align center, and then this is heading. Here remember one thing, that we are using the inline CSS इफेक्ट. दॅट मीन्स जेव्हा ज्या लाईनला त्या स्पेसिफिक लाईनमधला लाईनलाच इफेक्ट प्रोव्हाइड करायचा असेल त्यावेळेला आपण बॉडीच्या अंडर H1 साठी असेल, P1 साठी असेल, H3 H4 साठी असेल तर त्याच वेळेला त्याच्याच अंडर स्टाईल टॅग आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे आणि त्या स्टाईल टॅग मध्ये जो इफेक्ट आपल्याला त्या डेटाला त्या सिलेक्टरला प्रोव्हाइड करायचा आहे तो इफेक्ट आपल्याला इथे द्यायचा आहे. इथे प्रोव्हाइड केलेला इफेक्ट जो काही आहे त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I have used color, then under H1 provided the text alignment as a center. Here I used text align instead of text alignment. बोलताना text alignment म्हणायचंय, but property is the text dash align. And also remember one thing, when we use two words in CSS, that time we have to join that two words by using the dash. Okay, text dash align colon center, and to complete that effect provide the semicolon. Okay, this is the example of H1 and this is the example of paragraph tag, that is a P. Okay, then you will get the output like this. Is that clear? Now let's go for second one, that is the internal. Then open with Google Chrome. Under internal CSS I have provided this is heading and this is paragraph. Again these two things, but heading is in maroon color and this is paragraph having no effect. For that again see its coding. Internal, open with notepad. Here let's see properly. Doctype HTML, here I have used head and under head I used style tag. In style tag I have provided H1 and different effects under H1, then ended the style, ended the head and ended the then start the body. Under body tag provided the H1 and P tag and then ended the body. Here whatever the data is provided under H1 and P, that data will have the effect of this style tag. Under this style tag only effect for H1 is provided and not for P. Therefore in our output P is having no effect but H1 having color as maroon and its left margin is 40 pixel. Okay, what is the difference in between inline and internal coding? In inline coding I used style tag under the body and after H1. Okay, H1 style, P style, like that. That is for inline. Today, now we are using the internal. In internal, we are using the style tag under the head, and under style tag we are providing the H1 effect as well as, if require, P effect. Okay, is this clear? This is for internal CSS. Its output will be like this.